Benguet has a 2,769.8 square kilometers land area, and it is also known the solid bowl of the Philippines. The capital of Benguet is Latiligan.
Brief history regarding sa Benguet is Benguet became a separate province in 1966 with its economy focusing on agriculture, which is nakikita naman natin ngayon, especially yung strawberry farm and its mining and tourism. Ang natural attraction na makikita natin usually sa Benguet ay ang Mount Pulag, second-highest mountain in Luzon, and known for its stunning sea of clouds. Especially pag pumunta kayo ng paumaga pa lang. And especially at sunrise, yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina. And let's experience the cool climate, beautiful scenery, and rich biodiversity here at Benguet.
Mountain Province with a land area of 2,389.43 square kilometers, and also known as the La Montañosa or the Mountainous One. And the capital of Mountain Province is the Bontoc City. Brief history regarding sa Mountain Province. After World War II, Mountain Province became a separate administrative region, later part of the CAR, which is the Cordillera Administrative Region, in 1987. The natural attraction na makikita natin sa Mountain Province was the Bataduay Terraces, known for its beauty with steep glass-green terraces that stretch across the mountain. And it's popular for hiking and photography, lalo na sa Milky Way, makikita yung Milky Way din. And visitors can enjoy the serene beauty of the environment and the traditional Ifugao culture.
Abra has land area of 4,165.25 square kilometers and is known for its Kilflum rivers. It is also called the waterfall capital of the north, with Caparcan Falls being the most famous among its waterfalls. Caparcan Falls is located in Sitio Caparcan, Barangay Caganayan, in the municipality of Tinec, which lies in the northernmost part of Abra province. This waterfall is a breathtaking natural wonder that has captivated travelers with its multi-tiered travertine formation and stunning cascades. Apayao is a quiet and peaceful province in the northern part of Luzon. It covers about 4,413 square kilometers and is full of forests, rivers, and animals. It was recently named a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve because of its important role in protecting nature. The Isnag people live here and have cared for the land of many generations. One of Apayao's top attraction is the Lusok Crystal Cave in Luna, known for its shiny rock formation and underground river. With its natural beauty, rich culture, and exciting places to see, Apayao is a hidden treasure ready to be discovered.
Kalinga, with a land area of 3,231.25 square kilometers, and also known as the peaceful and beautiful land of the living waters, and the capital of the Kalinga province is the Tabuk City. Brief history regarding sa Kalinga is, it is once a part of the old mountain province until it became a separate province through Republic Act No. 7878 in 1995, merging with Apayao before they were separated. The region is known for its fierce warriors and rich tribal culture, as well as its resistance during the colonization. The natural attraction na makikita sa Kalinga was the Huascaman village, famous for traditional hand-typed tattoos by Apong Ud na kilalang magtatato, and the last Mambabatok, traditional tattoo artist of Fur tribe.